The motto of our InReach is always serve as we learn. The InReach serves as a mechanism that integrates healthcare service, teaching and training, and research within the rural health system.
We deliberately call it InReach as opposed to outreach because we engaged with the Department of Health, asked them what their needs were, and then we reach into them to use the skills, the competencies of our NGOs, our university, to help the health department ensure that those patients of the region are given optimum health care.
This current InReach has a strong focus on children, and this aligns very well with the Department of Health and Wellness's framework for action that speaks to starting well.
We have partnered with Africa 2020, an NGO from KZN. They have a mobile unit that enables us to do cataracts surgery anywhere. We are doing the dental initiative. So the second initiative is to ensure that our students learn in the spaces. And so we have various community-orientated primary care activities where our students go out with the local health practitioners to various communities and really taking healthcare to where people live. We have screened many of the children in the area and will provide spectacles for them. This makes a huge difference to see and learn much better. We have also partnered with STEPI, and they're doing some training in early childhood development. The engineering faculties have brought their teams of senior students into the spaces. They looked at equipment, medical equipment, and helped to fix the little niggly problems that were plaguing some of the equipment. We're doing additional training in infection prevention and control, again in partnership with the colleagues from Tygerberg.
As part of the InReach, we also host training sessions that is part of the continuous professional development of professionals and peers. This includes the clinician as trainer workshop, as well as the point of care ultrasound training workshop that will also take place.
And so our team has come to the region to ensure that we can upskill and help our young professionals across the board to actually engage with students. So we as a Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, and specifically in the portfolio of social impact, we see these InReach initiatives as a demonstration of how a university, through our partnerships, have enabled us to make the difference in the lives of people, and that we constantly be reminded that we exist as a university to be in the service of society.